In this video, we will learn how to sign up in Python Firebase projects. Before moving on to the video, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video to support us. We will sign up with email and password. First, let's go to the project we created in the previous video. In the Build tab, go to the Authentication section. Click the Get Started button. There are many methods to sign in. We will use the method of signing in with email and password. Select the Enable option and click the Save button. Now let's edit the code file. I'm creating a function for sign up. I will take the email and password from the user as input. I create two variables for email and password. I create a variable for the user. I send the two variables I received from the user to the create with user email and password function. I'm calling the function. I enter the email and password. We can go to the Firebase site and check whether the sign-in process has been completed successfully. We can see all accounts in the Users tab. The sign-in process has been completed successfully. But the process cannot always be completed successfully. Let's do an example. I will go through the sign-in process again using the same email. A message was published that the email already exists. Firebase performs these types of checks and returns appropriate messages to us. We can publish appropriate messages for errors using the try except method. In case of an error, I will post an appropriate message. Except will be activated when there is an error. I can add a message to the try section indicating that the operation was completed successfully. Let's try again. I will create a member using the same email. The print command we added to the accept section worked. I create a membership with a different email. The other member appears on the Firebase website. We can check members in Firebase. For example, we can delete the member. When a member is deleted, a new member can be created with the deleted email address. A new member was created with the deleted member. In the next video, we will learn how to log in. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.